up, y'all? JustZay here, back giving a pickup. And today we got a special unboxing. And today, Nike made me a believer. Well, a re-believer. I always believed in them, but today I'm a re-believer. Today's pair of shoes we unboxing are, of course, none other than the Nike X Zoom Invincible. And this is actually the third version of the shoe, and they say third time's the charm, and I believe that is true with this pair of shoes. And I'm gonna let you guys know up front, when I first put these on, I was like, yo, no way, no way these feel as comfortable as they do. I didn't want to believe it. The hater in me was poking out, and I was like, yo, I can't believe it. These are actually better than Boost. Like I was like, yo, I think Nike got one on this one. So let's get into it. So the Nike ZoomX Invincible Runner 3 features, of course, a single box. Now, if you read right here, you're gonna see is we're working to ditch the double box and ship shoes in a single shoe box made with at least 90% recycled content. So what they're trying to do is protect the environment, you know, because it's all about what we leave behind. And the less we leave as far as carbon footprint, the better. So I'm all for it. I'm all for having our kids have somewhere safe to play and be able to enjoy life the way we did. So let's get back to the shoe. The first thing that stands out about this shoe is going to be the Nike ZoomX, which is this super duper high supportive technology that Nike has created right here. This material right here is, like I said before, it's soft, and I comparing this to any other shoe is impossible. Any other single shoe is impossible. I think this is a combination of two different types of shoes. To me, the responsiveness on this shoe right here, it feels like a pair of Boosts mixed with a pair of the EVA foams. And I'm gonna be honest, man, I did want to be a believer, but as soon as I put my foot in and I ran a couple of laps around the track, I was like, yo, this right here, this is it. It doesn't even matter what angle you look at these, you're gonna see Nike branding. You're gonna see Nike right here, you're gonna see Nike right here, you're gonna see Nike right here, you're gonna see Nike check right here, Nike right here, Nike right here, and even the Nike check right here. So it doesn't matter what angle you're looking at, you're gonna see these and you're gonna notice these are a pair of Nikes. Now, one of the great things about these pair of Nikes is that they're super duper comfortable. As I was telling you guys, this sole is so soft, and as I was saying, like, the only thing I can think of that comes comparative to this is the Boost from the Yeezys, because this right here, these Yeezys are probably the softest pair of Yeezys in my opinion. But if you look at, you only get about this amount of the Boost, right? So you look at this and then you look at how massive this is. So you got even more cushion than the shoe that has the most, that's probably arguably the most comfortable. And the only thing that compared to this amount of cushion is going to be the EVA foams. Now, all of these shoes, all these pieces of footwear you see right here are size 10.5. Now, this, of course, it's even more than this. If you look at it, it's even more cushion. So with that being said, I don't know how I can convince you anymore other than unless you try a pair on, but I guarantee you, once this shoe goes on sale for right around 100 to 130, the word's going to be out, everybody's going to be on these, and with the way things are with Adidas and Yeezy, that's soon going to be obsolete, and Nike's going to remain #1 in footwear. That's just what I believe, because these are so freaking comfortable. You have the prime knitting right here that's throughout the whole shoe. You have the easy pull tab where you can put in with your pinky or your index finger or whatever finger you use. You probably can use your thumb if that's what you're into. But like I said, man, this is such a comfortable shoe. It's very, very responsive, very super duper responsive. And you guys know me, I love when they pay attention to detail. Let me see if we can focus in on this. So I don't know if you guys can see this. It's very, very, let me see. Here we go. So what this says is Nike running department, right? And there's a Nike logo, and it says it's designed at the world headquarters at Oregon, USA. And then it says Nike ZoomX Invincible Flyknit. Because this is so faint, I don't know if you guys can actually see this. It's not that important, but it's just one of those details that they paid attention to, and like I have to show you guys because they paid attention to it, which is great. I mean, I love this shoe, man. I never thought I would be this excited. Last time I was this excited is when Nike came out with the Nike Reacts, which is supposed to be a response to the Ultra Boost. But I think this right here, this seals the deal, man. So like I said, these were only $180. These actually was sold out. This particular colorway was sold out of Nike. I had to get these from Dick's Sporting Good, but hey, Nikes are Nikes. And just to go over things, you have the black sole right here. Of course, you guys can tell, black sole. You have the white, which is up top, and then you have the football gray, is what they call it. The football gray is right here. This is a bit distinction of the football gray. You guys can see that. I believe this is what they call in the white, and this is the football gray. And then you have a cobalt bliss, which is what this right here is. And then you got this nice little pink that brings the shoe out right here. So you have the pull tab right here. The tongue right here is Nike Invincible Run 03, Nike ZoomX Flyknit. And then on the inside it says Nike ZoomX Just Do It. Now you can take these soles out. Don't know why you would want to, because it's such a comfortable shoe. Now the funny thing is, with Boost, you push your finger right here and it's super soft. But with these, this little out layer right here is firm because the softness is right here. So that's pretty interesting. Now regular sole. Now, oh, one more thing. Let me show you guys this. So there's actually different writings on both soles. So let's see what this sole says. So this sole right here is going to say, I have a little smiley face on it, and it says, whoop, smile for miles, just do it. Overall, man, these are a great running shoe. If you're not into running, get these shoes anyway. These would be a great shoe to put in your rotation, just as a daily walk or your daily commute. Alright, so like I said, these are Flyknit, pretty simple, easy to put on. And then